What if Bitcoin doesn't just rise, but explodes all the way to $200,000 in 2025? It sounds unbelievable, but several top analysts think it's not only possible, it may already be in motion. Let's break down this shocking new forecast. Welcome to Info Facts 10 Times, your home for financial facts and eye-opening predictions. Today, we're decoding whether Bitcoin can really hit $200,000 by 2025 using real data, expert analysis, and historical patterns. Stay till the end because fact number one even shocks crypto experts. Let's start with the halving effect. Every halving in Bitcoin's history has triggered a massive bull run. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin jumped 8,000%. After 2016, it surged nearly 3,000%. After 2020, almost 600%. The 2024 halving just happened, and historically, the biggest pump comes 12 to 18 months later. So is 2025 the mega run year? Next, analysts from JP Morgan and Standard Chartered predict a target between 150,000 and 250,000. Why? Because demand is rising faster than supply. What happens when billions chase a limited asset? Then we have Bitcoin spot ETFs, BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK. These giants manage trillions. If even 1% of that money flows into Bitcoin, the price could skyrocket. And yes, they've already started buying. Global adoption is accelerating. Over 300 million people now use crypto. Countries like El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. And adoption is growing twice as fast as the early internet. Institutional buying is also exploding. Companies like MicroStrategy are buying billions in Bitcoin, and banks are adding BTC to their balance sheets. What happens when corporations compete for the same limited supply? Meanwhile, Bitcoin supply on exchanges is at a 5-year low. People aren't selling, they're holding. Low supply plus rising demand usually means explosive price action. Miner capitulation is ending. After halving, weak miners shut down, and historically, that's when major bull runs begin. Data shows miner selling is almost over. Whales are quietly accumulating millions in Bitcoin. Whales never buy at the top. They accumulate before the breakout. And the global macro environment supports Bitcoin. With inflation, currency devaluation, and unstable markets, investors see Bitcoin as a digital safe haven. When fiat weakens, Bitcoin strengthens. Finally, the biggest factor, the supply crisis of 2025. New Bitcoin entering circulation is now extremely small. Demand from ETFs, institutions, and retail buyers is rising fast. A supply shock could easily push Bitcoin above $200,000, and that supply crunch hasn't even started yet. So will Bitcoin hit 200,000 in 2025? Nothing is guaranteed. But the adoption, the money flow, and the historic trends all point in one direction. A massive move may be coming. What do you think? Can Bitcoin reach 200,000? Comment your prediction below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial facts from InfoFacts 10 Times.